I am digital certified meteorologist Irene Sands. We continue to monitor the development of this tropical disturbance. As of now, is the potential tropical cyclone number 16. Basically, the National Hurricane Center just labels this as such to allow them to issue any watches or warnings. Yes, we already have watches and warnings in effect for parts of Florida going into Mississippi and Alabama. Now, this is being guided by the subtropical ridge, which is making the storm just swing towards the east. We are expecting a Florida landfall. The cone is pretty narrow because we're fairly certain that this storm will continue to travel to the northeast. And if you look at it, it's going to be rather fast. And we're going to have the showers and thunderstorms starting across central Florida, starting late Friday afternoon, and then continue through the day Saturday. Now on Sunday, the system or the remnants of the system will start to enter the western Atlantic. So this is good news. It's a fairly quick system, but we're still expecting some impacts across a region. Across the western part of Florida, we are expecting anywhere between 3 to 5 feet of storm surge, especially anywhere from Port St. Joe to the just south of Tallahassee towards Perry and the coastal region, and of course from Perry to the Crystal River area, we are expecting anywhere between 2 to 4 feet, and this is highly dependent on high tide. The high tide could bring higher amounts for some regions across the Florida southern coast of the panhandle of Florida. Now the system will continue to travel east, and we can expect rain to start Friday evening going into Saturday. We're talking about rainfalls that could vary anywhere between 2 to 3 inches. Now if storms become more persistent, stronger, we could still have some isolated amounts across central Florida, anywhere between 3 to 5 inches. We will continue to monitor the situation because if the system moves a little bit towards the east, we can expect stronger storms across the area, and of course slightly higher winds, constant winds. We could have some severe weather across central Florida. That's why the Storm Prediction Center has put us in a marginal risk for Saturday. Strong winds above 60 miles per hour, rainfall anywhere between 1 to 3 inches, and of course isolated amounts between 3 to 5 inches. And we can still have an isolated tornado forming across our region. We are in the right side of the storm, and we know this is the dirty side, the most active side, and this is exactly where we're getting for the next few days across our region. And when I say the next few days, it's Friday late afternoon, Saturday, and then on Sunday we can expect conditions to gradually improve across central Florida. I am digital certified meteorologist Irene Sands. George Waldenberger will be live starting at 4 until 6:30, again at 10 and 11 on Eyewitness News. And you can get the latest information, the most up-to-date information, by downloading our free WFTV weather app.